If you're running a lawn care business in 2026 and your blower can't move piles of wet leaves, grass clippings, and debris fast, it's not just annoying, it's costing you money. Every extra minute spent blowing is a minute you're not mowing, edging, or loading up for the next job. Today we're breaking down the 3 best commercial backpack blowers you can buy in 2026, the machines that actually deliver power, reliability, and real-world productivity. No homeowner toys, no spec sheet fluff, just the blowers that pros actually run. By the end of this video, you'll know which one deserves your money and which one fits your crew best. Let's get into it. These rankings are based on real commercial performance, power to weight ratio, fuel capacity and runtime, comfort and usability for long days, overall value for professional crews. Specs matter, but how those specs translate into productivity matters more. Number 3. Echo PB9010T. The Echo PB9010T is a solid commercial backpack blower that deserves praise for its power and reliability. Echo makes arguably some of the best backpack blowers and other handheld equipment in the industry. The PB9010T has an impressive 1,110 CFM rating and airspeed of 220 miles per hour, so it can move a ton of debris quickly. Why pros like it? This blower is built for heavy debris, wet leaves, and fall cleanups where smaller units struggle. It's not flashy, it's just strong. Echo has built a reputation for simple, durable equipment, and the PB9010T fits that mold perfectly. Key specs: engine 79.9 cubic centimeters, air volume 1,110 cubic feet per minute, airspeed 220 miles per hour, fuel capacity 83.8 ounces, weight 26.7 pounds. Real world take. This blower shines on the large residential cleanups, fall leaf season, crews that want reliability over refinement. The trade-off? It's not the lightest and not the most comfortable for all-day use compared to the top 2. Bottom line, the Echo PB9010T is a workhorse. If you want strong airflow and simple reliability without overthinking it, this blower gets the job done. But it's not the most refined tool on the market. Number 2. Stihl BR 800 C-E Magnum. If there's one blower almost every lawn pro recognizes instantly, it's the Stihl BR 800 Magnum. Of course, Stihl is the most well-known brand in the industry for handheld equipment. They continue to make high-quality equipment that is built to last. This is the blower many competitors are still chasing. Why it's so popular. Stihl nailed the balance between power, weight, and comfort, which is why you see these on trucks everywhere. It's powerful without being awkward, and light enough that crews can run it all day. Even though it doesn't have quite the air volume and speed as the other blowers on this list, the lightweight, durable engine and ease of starting is worth it for an everyday backpack blower. Key specs: engine 79.9 cubic centimeters, 4.4 brake horsepower, air volume 912 cubic feet per minute, airspeed 239 miles per hour, fuel capacity 67.6 ounces, weight 25.8 pounds. Real world take. On paper, the CFM looks lower than some competitors, but airspeed and nozzle efficiency matter, and Stihl does that extremely well. The BR800 feels lighter than it is, has excellent throttle response, is comfortable for long shifts. The downside? Smaller fuel tank compared to the RedMax and Echo, meaning slightly more refueling on long days. Bottom line, this is one of the most well-rounded backpack blowers ever built. It is definitely a top pick if you're looking for a great all-around backpack blower. If you want proven performance, strong dealer support, and excellent ergonomics, the BR800 Magnum is still a top-tier choice. RedMax EBZ900. If your priority is maximum productivity, the RedMax EBZ900 sits at the top of the mountain in 2026. The EBZ900 is easily my favorite backpack blower available. It is simply the best in terms of blowing power, lightweight, and large fuel tank. This thing is a beast. Pound for pound, it definitely has the best performance of any backpack blower on the market. Why it wins. RedMax went all in on airflow and runtime, and it shows. This blower is built for commercial crews, massive properties, large fall leaf cleanups, Key specs. Engine, 78.6 cubic centimeters. Air volume, 1,245 cubic feet per minute. Airspeed, 216 miles per hour. Fuel capacity, 91.3 ounces. Weight, 26 pounds. Real-world take. The EBZ900 moves more air than anything else on the market, and that translates directly into faster cleanup times. Yes, it's slightly heavier than the Stihl, but the harness design and balance make it manageable for experienced operators. The huge fuel tank means fewer stops, more continuous work, and better efficiency on long routes. Bottom line. If your business depends on moving debris fast, especially during peak fall season, the RedMax EBZ900 is the blower to beat. It's not the lightest, it's not the cheapest, but it is the most productive. Final rankings recap. Number 1. RedMax EBZ900. Best for maximum airflow, long runtime, and serious commercial workloads. If you have large leaf jobs or large properties, this is the blower for you. Wear it on your stand-on mower, and you basically have a stand-on blower. Number 2. Stihl BR 800 C-E Magnum. Best all-around blower. Excellent balance of power, comfort, and reliability. This blower has the least amount of air volume and speed, but the design of the nozzle helps with moving a lot of debris. This is also the lightest backpack blower, so it's the easiest to carry around all day. Number 3. Echo PB9010T. Strong, simple, and dependable. Great power, but less refined than the top two. The Echo backpack blower is a solid choice overall. In terms of specs, it sits right between the Stihl and RedMax. It is just a little heavier than the other two options, so it can be a tough option for all-day use. If you want more no-nonsense breakdowns like this, covering commercial mowers, blowers, and equipment that actually makes you money, hit subscribe. And if you're deciding between equipment for your business, check out the links below for deeper comparisons and tools that help you buy smarter. I'll see you in the next one.